Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can open a file and read the contents of a file. And for that we actually first need a file, text file, because I'm going to read from a text file. So I'll need a file here and I'm going to use open function here, and for that I actually need to specify the path of the file, where that file is actually situated. So if the file is on the desktop, I don't really have to give the path. So what I'll do is I'll just save my file on the desktop itself. So let's say name of the file is myfile.txt, and I'll write something in the file first, because when you're opening a file for reading, it should actually contain something. It should be existing, because if it doesn't exist and you're trying to open it, so you're trying to open a file that doesn't really exist, you will get an error. So I'll write something into it. I'll say uh, this is my file. This is file handling. I'll save it and I'll close it. So this is my text file on the desktop. Now I'll create Python file. I'll give the same name and I will open it using open function. Open function has two parameters. One is the file name, another one is the mode. And since the mode is read mode, I don't really need to give the mode, because read mode is default mode. So my file.txt, and this function, open function, returns a file object. So I'll use a file handler here. So f is file handler. What it means is I don't have to use the name of the file over and over again. I can just use the name of file handler and work with the file. And this file handler is iterable, so I can iterate over this file handler. So I'll just write for I in F, print I, I'll save it. And I'll run it. As you can see, it shows the contents of the file with the white spaces also, because in your file after every statement there are white spaces. So it actually is not ignoring those spaces. I'll tell you how you can ignore it. So ignore all the white spaces. I'll just use strip function. So for every string it gets from the file, it will ignore the white spaces. Basically, all the white spaces in the beginning or at the end. So trailing spaces and the leading white spaces, it will ignore. As you can see, the reason behind the space after the last line is the space in the file itself. And I'll tell you how we can remove that also. But before that, I really want to focus on one of the functions of file handling, that is read function. It returns number of bytes read from the file, and I can call it with the help of file handler. As you can see. And what is the use of this function? I can actually give number of bytes that I want to read from the file. So if I give 6 here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th is the space, and then 6th is your character I. This is how you can make use of these functions, strip function and read function. In the next video lecture, we'll discuss how we can use read line and read lines to read from a file. And I hope you understood the concept of open function. We'll see you in the next video lecture. Take care.